Hi everyone, this video we are doing similar figures. So firstly, congruent figures, we learnt last week that it was the same shape and same size. So all matching angles were equal and all matching sides were equal. In similar figures, it's the same shape but a different size. So all matching angles are equal, but matching sides are not going to be equal. Now often, when we do similar figures, one is referred to as the original, the other as the image. Not always, but it sometimes happens. Now, when that occurs, we know it's the image because the image has the apostrophe. So original is B, image is B apostrophe. And that way you can see all the matching vertices. Now, the first thing we're going to have to do is scale factor. So I've got an example there with three triangles. Scale factor just shows how much it's been increased by or decreased by. So let's say the one in the middle is the original. This side is 10 centimeters. And on this triangle, this side is 20 centimeters. Now to find the scale factor, all we got to do is line up the matching sides and put them over the other. So image over the original. 20 over 10, which is 2. So it's got a scale factor of 2. That just means that this triangle, the side has been doubled. Now, for this triangle, because this is the original, we do 5 over 10, which is half. So the scale factor is half. Just means that this triangle has been halved from the original. Now remember, we are using the matching sides to find the scale factor. Let's do some examples. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find the scale factor of these two triangles. And then we're going to find the perimeter of DEF. So to find the scale factor, first thing we're going to have to do is find the matching sides. So we know that BC and DF are the matching sides. Now there's a couple of ways to tell this. The way that I like to do it is they are both opposite the dot. Another way you could do it is you've got the triangle and nothing, triangle and nothing. So 10 and 6 are the matching sides. Then we've got to find the scale factor, which is 6 over 10, which equals 3 over 5. I'm just assuming that this is the image. Sometimes the textbook will tell you, sometimes you just assume that the one on the left is the original. Now, next thing we're going to do is find the perimeter. So we're going to find the perimeter by finding out what DE equals and what EF equals. To do that, we are going to find the original measurements. Now, AC, which is here, is matching with DE. And I know that because it's opposite the triangle. So AC is 12. Then what we're going to do is we're going to find the scale factor, which was 3 over 5, and then we're going to multiply. So remember in the previous examples, the scale factor was 2 because it was double the size. The scale factor was half because it was half the size. Now the image is 3/5 of the size, so we're going to times it by 3/5. And that is going to equal 7.2. So DE is 7.2. We're going to do the same thing with EF. So it's going to be 15 because the matching side is BC. Nope, that should be AB. Times scale factor, which is 3 over 5, it equals 9. Now don't forget, we are trying to find the perimeter. So to find the perimeter, we are going to do 6 plus 9 plus 7.2, which equals 22.2. Alright, so have a go at the rest of the questions. Please ask me any questions if you are stuck on a question or you're not quite sure how to do it or you want me to do some more examples.